Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. This is a combination of Blender add-ons that are currently available and also a free Friday collection of cool and impressive stuff that you can get totally for free. And this week we're going to start out by taking a look at Pixel Mentor. Pixel Mentor has released 3 different stuff on his storefront which are totally free. And this is currently available on his Gumroad, and one of the most impressive ones that you can get right now are 20 ready-to-use assets which are fully sculpted and available for you to pick up and start creating or printing with. And they're fully production ready. So if you're thinking about using the statues in your games, or maybe you like to 3D print this, then you can simply come through and pick these ones up. EJ Hassan Frat has released 40 MatCaps, and these are Toon style textures which are compatible with tools like Cinema 4D Blender, and this includes Toon style shading like Halftones, Cell Shader, Spider-Verse, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, and Watercolor. And all of these is currently available for free. So if you simply go over to this Gumroad, you will be able to download it. However, there are more stuff that you can get from his storefront which are also free. And most of these comprises of creations with project types that you can get right now. And speaking about things that you can get, Book Creative has released a couple of interesting cloth mockups, and all these cloth mockups are now available for you to pick up for free. More so, you also have access to free rig models which you can also pick up right here. And if you're into Legos, there's also 20 plus Lego heads that you can pick up and start creating with. Hairpress Collide from the folks at Node Interactive is now available, and this is a free tool that allows you collide meshes on hairs that you've created in Blender. This is fully geometry based and it gives you that collision that you're looking for. And because this is free, you can simply start creating amazing looking stuff with it. Another interesting tool that you can get totally for free right now is the Quick Proxy modifier. And this is a simple tool that adds new modifiers to your Blender file. And the main purpose of this tool is for you to have a better viewport performance by reducing the amount of faces and vertices that the computer has to render when working with high dense models in Blender. However, if you'd like to see more things from BB3D, they've recently released a couple of interesting ones. Stampede and Parallax It is one of the cool ones that they've released, and they've also released this new one called the Fake God Ray and Glue Object, and this is looking really good. So for those who like to get this, probably you like to check it out. If you've been thinking about adding God Rays in your scene, then this is definitely one cool one that I would suggest you check out. And speaking about things that you should check out, the folks at Humble Bundle, their stuff is running out. So just in case you've missed out on getting this might just be the right time for you to get it, as this might be running out in a couple of hours, and I kind of think that they might give a 1 week extension, but who knows? They may not give a 1 extra week extension, they might, but at this point I think the safest thing to do is to get it while the offer lasts. They do have amazing stuff right here. For those who like to check this out, these are pretty cool ones. So for those who like to get this, links to this alongside links to other Humble Bundle stuff will be in the description, so do well to check it out. And last but not the least for this video is Decal Master. So Decal Master version 2 is now available, and this is doing a 30% discount, and this is a pretty cool tool for adding decals to your scene. This is very clean, as it simply allows you to effortlessly add and blend decals to any scene that you're working with. So whether you're trying to engrave these decals or possibly you want to add wear and tear to them, these are super useful and they're really nice. So for those who like to get these ones as well, links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to see this for yourself. So this is it, the amazing cool stuff that you can now get for this week, and this comprises of very cool add-ons that are now available, some discounts, some updates, and of course some beautiful assets. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.